और रोड टॅक्स एवरी इयर जे रोड टॅक्स होतात तेजे आम्ही 50% ऑफ मागल्या. इफ द रोड टॅक्स इज 3000 to be charged only 1500 or 1000 rupees, 2000 सोडपाचे. This is the first relief these people should get who are doing self-employment. थोडे जाणटे आहा भितर, थोडे भुरगे आहा, इतली वर्सां काम करून येयल्ले आहा, सो ते बेकार आहा, काम कांय ना. सो हे सगळे घटकांक जितके जावं ते ऑटो रिक्षा, रिक्षा, पॅसेंजर रिक्षा आसूं, दुसरी रिक्षा आसूं, गुड्स कॅरियर आसूं, आनी आमचे टॅक्सी, रेंट अ कार, रेंट अ बायक, हे सगळे हांकां रोड टॅक्स 50% कमी करचो. व्हेकल्स आर नॉट बींग यूज लास्ट 3 months नाव, आनी प्लस आनीक फुडले 3 म्हयने यूज जावचे ना. सीजन विल स्टार्ट समवेअर इन ऑक्टोबर. ट्युरिझम विल स्टार्ट. डिसिजन जावना, आमी उलोवप जाला. सो अशें ही फायल पुट अप कर म्हटल्यार CMन थिंगा सांगलो, ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर, पुट अप द फायल बिफोर मी एंड वी विल accept.
No, but don't you think, sir, at this point when government itself is going in financial crisis, yeah, earning burden,
no, हे आता लोक खंयचे फारीक करप पयशे? How do these self-employed people pay the money as road tax when there is no business at all? They are coming and standing on Mapsa bus stand or Benjam bus stand or in Kalangut, elsewhere. Same सांगतलो तुका, हिसाब
ती स्कीम आहा सांगले त्यांनी काल डायरेक्टरान ऑलरेडी इंडिव्हिज्युअली हे करपाची.
ती स्कीम This is not that scheme. आता compulsory we have to pay money. This is only for those who are in who are doing self-employment business. Self-employment. Not for everybody. Everybody got cars. Even I have car. You have car. तू म्हणशी तुझो इन्शुरन्स आनी रोड टॅक्स माफ कर म्हणून तशें ना. दिस इज ओन्ली फॉर सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट बिजनस कोण करता तांकां हे 6 म्हयन्यान धंदो ना. 3 महिने जाले आनीक 3 महिने फुडें कमी आसतलो धंदो. जायत पासून स्टार्ट जाल्यार बेश्टो आसतलो.
So why I ask you, because everybody is asking financial packages to the government.
This is not financial package.
No, I'm not, sir.
We are only going to give them relief on taxes. What tax they are paying 100%, it will be deducted to 50 or 40%. So 60% माफ करतले तांकां. That depends on the finance minister, that is chief minister. So ताका कडेन फायल पावली काय तो डिसायड करतलो. तितून सगळे घटक आहा, रायट फ्रॉम मोटरसायकल पायलट अप टू ट्रक ओनर. सो तांकां मेळोन न्हू बेनिफीट. आमी म्हणटा की आमच्या लोकलाक जो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट करता ताका बेनिफीट मेळपाक जाय. तितून बाकीचे आनी कितके जाले वन एट अ टायम ट्युरिझम इंडस्ट्रीचे बेनिफीट मेळपाक जाय. So we are asking.
One more thing is that yesterday the tourism director as well as this had asked about hotels registration. त्याच्यात तुमचं किती मिळणार? Because
registration
for this new SOP
to start. अजून SOP येवंक ना.
No.
So far no Indian tourists want to travel at this time. So it will take some time. Let the things improve in Goa. But restaurants have already started. So it is a slow process of starting economic activity in the state of Goa where tourism is related.
Can hotel starts at this point when number of cases are increasing?
See, I again told you that right now it is not the right time, but overall India, the decision of the central government is to start. So Goa will start only when we get bookings.
Okay.
Nobody is doing booking because there are cases, number of cases have increased in Goa. So let us wait for the cases to come down.
This is just a
So
stop
all the
process.
hotels in the coastal belt, in Kalangut or Anjuna or Vagadar, they have decided to wait. This is not a government decision. Government are कितें सांगला, तुम्ही register करा. We will give you SOP. We have still not given SOP.
So process has
So
started.
this is just a process. So according to me, it will take another 1 month. So 1 month, let us wait and see how the situation improves.
So yesterday, Excel have done allegation on you that Michael Lobo do the black magic on the essential committee. What do you like to say?
This is a very kiddish caution and very kiddish for you all to take from him. He is a non-entity म्हणून सांगला आहे. सो मायकल लोबो जो तर कोंगोटच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या लोकांक सांगले दुसरो कोण आमदार जातलो तो जावचो ना. कोण आग्नेल म्हणटा तो जावचो. आग्नेलाक रिजेक्ट केला. So people decide to send me home. It will not be Agnel Fernandez. Somebody else. हांव कित्याक उलयता? कित्याक तो हे सगळे उलोवन आपूण लायनीन येवंक सोदता की आपूण नेक्स्ट MLA म्हणून. ताका लोक आनी करचे ना. 10 वर्सां तेजे पयला लोकांनी तेणे कितें उजवाड घातला पळय तो.
थँक्यू